A warm welcome to all of you. Today we are talking about nervous system, part 6. The important diagrams coming from nervous system and some diagram based questions we are discussing here. Can you identify this diagram? Yes, this is neuron or nerve cell. We can go through the labelings. Nucleus, cytosol or perikaryon or cell body. Axon, axon endings, node of Ranvier, myelin sheath. Then Nissl granules, dendrites, dendron. The branches of dendron, we call it as dendrites. Then one more labeling is there, that is the outermost sheath of axon. That is called neurilemma or neurolemma. Which is this diagram? This is human brain. We can go through the labelings. The largest portion of the brain, cerebrum. Then we can label this hypothalamus. Below hypothalamus, pituitary gland. Then the projecting portion, small projecting portion, that is pons. This is medulla oblongata. Here you can label cerebellum, the tube-like structure, that is midbrain. Thalamus, this portion is thalamus. Then corpus callosum, this is corpus callosum. These are the important labelings coming in human brain. Dear children, do you know which diagram is this? This is CS of spinal cord with spinal nerve. We can go through the important labelings. Gray matter, white matter, dorsal root, dorsal ganglion, then spinal nerve, ventral root, ventral horn, motor neurons, then here dorsal horn, sensory neuron. These are the important labelings you have to know in CS of spinal cord with spinal nerve. This diagram shows the pathway of reflex arc. The arrow shows the movement of impulses from the sensory neuron to the spinal cord, from the spinal cord to the motor neuron. Finally, it reaches the effector muscle. This impulse starts from the receptors. Then receptors send impulses to the sensory neuron. Then it reaches the spinal cord. From the spinal cord, motor neuron receive the impulses. Then these impulses finally reaches the effector muscle. Then if they are asking the process, you can say this is reflex action. The process is reflex action, but this diagram shows the reflex arc. The next question, identify the diagram and label the parts. Which is this diagram? This is human brain. We can go through the labelings. A, cerebrum. B, cerebellum. C, medulla oblongata. Identify the diagram and label the parts. This is the cross section of spinal cord with spinal nerve. Then we can go through the labelings. White matter, A is white matter, B gray matter, C dorsal root, D ventral root, E spinal nerve. Label the diagram. A cerebrum, B pons, C cerebellum, D corpus callosum. Identify the diagram and label the parts. Which is this diagram? Cross section of spinal cord with spinal nerve showing reflex arc. If they are asking the process, which process is this? You have to write reflex action. Then we can go through the labelings. First one, sensory neuron. Second one, spinal nerve. Third one, white matter. Fourth one, gray matter. Fifth one, interneuron or association neuron. Sixth one, motor neuron. Identify the diagram and label the parts. This is neuron or nerve cell. We can go through the labelings. First one, dendrites. Second, nucleus. Third, nuclear granules. Fourth, axon. Fifth, axon endings. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.